Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today we'll be studying boundary cut. Go to a top plane or any plane if you that you want. Create some shape over here and go to extrude, and give it something like 40 but below, and offset, give it offset. I'll tell you why I'm giving an offset of 10 in the downward direction. Okay, so this is our profile or 3D object. Okay, now top plane again, select a polygon and I'm giving it 10 faces. Okay, so this was my polygon. Now I want to extrude it like 40 or extrude it 10, 20 I would say, and also you give it an offset of 10 millimeters, but this time in the upward direction. I'm using offset just to have some space here. Okay, now go to a boundary cut. The boundary cut basically cut something for you, like in the similar way, like boundary balls or base that add material, now that cuts the material. Okay, so if I want this face to cut this material till this face, then I would use a boundary cut. Okay, if I select this one, okay, now this is how my material has been cut through this. Now if again I go to the boundary cut, and now these are my anchor points. If I get it right, for example here, I think, yeah, now it's good. It's good now, I think, yes. Or maybe get it here. No, this here. I think it's good now. Yeah, this is my shape. But I could do another thing, and that is just delete this one. Oh, sorry, just delete this one here, and I want to draw something, and it is polygon of shape. I think it should be like head-shaped polygon, right side polygon here, and now I want to extrude it. My extrude is in this direction, but I want offset of 20 millimeters in this direction, right? Okay, now what would I do? Again, select a boundary cut, select this face and this face. It will cut everything that come in between them, these two faces. This anchor point will define the type of geometry that would make, okay, like this. Okay, sorry, yeah, merge here, or just make it right here. It has cut in between this. Okay, now this is how the boundary cut command works. I hope you would like it. Please like and share with your friends. I would see you in the next video. Take care.